Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened slightly lower at 10,471.94. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 edged 0.04% higher, while Germany's DAX gauged 0.06%. Overnighting the US, the Nasdaq closed higher at 26,206.89, and the S&P 500 also finished in positive territory at 7,543.64. In company news, easyJet is reported to favour Apollo's improved takeover proposal over a rival bid from Castlelake, keeping takeover speculation firmly in focus. Recruitment specialist Hays has issued its fourth quarter trading update ahead of an investor briefing, offering the latest insight into market conditions. Against sterling, the US dollar and euro strengthened slightly. The Swiss franc and Japanese yen were broadly unchanged. The Australian dollar eased and Bitcoin rose. In commodities, copper moved higher, while gold, Brent crude and natural gas all traded lower. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.